but I'm gonna call it Azdome. I hope that's what it's called. It's a dash cam. M550 is the model that I picked up, the one that I got. This company did send this out to me, so this is going to be an honest review. As you guys know, I have been going out a lot more in my truck, stacked up 5,000 miles in like a month or two. So we're driving a lot more, and with that, I want to be protected. Now, of course, this doesn't prevent accidents, and this doesn't stop all the bad that happens. But this does protect your investment, and it also protects you, so you can show who is really at fault. I've had a lot of really bad accident experiences, and I always wish that I had a dash cam. I don't know why it took me this long, but now I got a dash cam. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. I will not lie, and I've unboxed this maybe like 5 to 10 times at home from how excited I actually am to get this, but I didn't want to do it without a video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this bad boy. So of course it comes with its manual. I definitely do recommend checking out the manual just because I may miss something, and it's always good to know what you're actually buying and how to properly use it. Inside you get a 64 gig micro SD. You also get the power cord, which is super good. Cool feature, it has a USB port just to kind of make that port a little bit more functional. You get a lot of mounting gear, which is always nice. It looks like they have doubles and extras of a lot of things, some removing tools and some clips, and then you get the actual camera itself. So this thing is supposed to record up to 4K quality. You want to be able to see the person's license plate, and I've seen a lot of reviews on this one, and this is one of the best ones that I've seen. So I'm excited. Super sleek. It doesn't have any extra grooves or bumps that it doesn't need to. It just looks like a camera, and that's what I wanted. This actually comes with the camera for the rear of your vehicle. So as you see, you got the camera for the back. It comes with extremely long wiring so that you can obviously wire it up properly, professionally, and get it done the right way.